Welcome back to Law Stash Channel. My name is Anton Vieltsin. I'm an attorney in the Southern District of California here in San Diego. Today we're going to discuss a case which reminds us to be careful what we post online, and then we'll discuss the Fourth Amendment and curtilage. And if you're asking yourself what is curtilage, it is the area immediately surrounding your home, which gets equal protection under the Fourth Amendment as the home itself. I have many videos on my channel here on YouTube that discusses curtilage, and I will screenshot some of them, so check them out after you're finished with this video. And before we go on, I want to thank you for watching me on YouTube. If you're listening to the podcast version of this recording, please give my podcast a 5-star review rating. And finally, if you want to support this channel, go on my website at lawstash.com and check out some of my merch. Thanks for watching.
Quick message from Law Stash. Are you charged with a crime? Or do you want to know your rights if stopped by police? Watch California attorney Anton Vieltsin discuss legal cases from the Supreme Court, Ninth Circuit, and California state courts on the Law Stash YouTube page. Anton has handled hundreds of federal and state criminal cases, has an in-depth knowledge of the law, and has the best mustache ever. Subscribe to the Law Stash YouTube page. That's LAWSTACHE.
Today we're discussing a Seventh Circuit case that was decided just a few days ago on February 13, 2023, and it is United States versus Jeremy Banks, who posted a video on Snapchat barbecuing, but within his reach there was a 9mm handgun. When officers saw the video, they recognized Jeremy Banks as a felon, and so he was committing a crime being a felon in possession of a handgun under 922G. The officers within minutes made a decision to go to Jeremy Banks' house and make an arrest. Now, they didn't get a warrant because they believed they didn't need one. After all, Jeremy Banks was a felon and he was committing a crime in front of them on video in that Snapchat video. Now, when the officers arrived, their plan worked. They saw Jeremy Banks on his porch. They approached him and tried to make an arrest. There was some struggle. Eventually, they put him in handcuffs, searched Mr. Banks, and they found a 9mm handgun in his pocket. He was charged under 922G, but he made a suppression motion saying that the search was in violation of the Fourth Amendment because he was on his porch and the officers did not have a warrant. Now, the Fourth Amendment protects you against unreasonable searches and seizures. By its terms, the Fourth Amendment protected Jeremy Banks' right to be secure in his house from unreasonable searches and seizures. At the very core of that protection, the Supreme Court has emphasized since the right of the man to retreat into his own home and there to be free from unreasonable governmental intrusions. Indeed, when measuring the strength of the Fourth Amendment, the home is first among equals. By 1984, the Supreme Court made it clear that the Fourth Amendment protects your home as well as the curtilage, which is the area immediately surrounding your home. That is because the area is intimately linked to the home both physically and psychologically. And your right to retreat to your own home would have little practical value if the officers could simply stand on your porch and troll for evidence. In this case, the officers never paused for a minute to request a warrant, and that omission matters because, after all, the Fourth Amendment very much concerns itself with the place where the arrest would occur. And here, given that the location was Mr. Banks' porch, the officers needed a warrant or consent or exigent circumstances to enter that area. And I will finish off this video by quoting the case itself because I find it very important. The big picture takeaway from today's decision deserves underscoring. The police could have avoided this outcome by taking a small but necessary step. The suppression testimony confirmed that Sangamon County where Springfield is located, has a judge on call 24 hours a day, 365 days a year to consider and issue search warrants. The officers here had more than enough time to pick up the telephone, call the on-duty judge, and get authorization the Fourth Amendment required before stepping on Banks' porch. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and now go on and watch the 3 other videos that I have dealing with curtilage. Thanks for watching.